Again with Technology in Front YouTube channel.
Let's show you how to use baby grinder. You can see now. As you see, here we have a baby grinder which we are going to use in our concrete adjustment, making chamfers, cutting chamfers, and grinding our concrete to get a smooth face. But this grinder, first of all, as you see, we have an old disc. This disc is going to be replaced by a new one so that you can make sure our work will go on as well as you want. In order to make sure that our work will go on as well as you want, we are going to change this cutting disc by this new one we are looking in package. This new one is very quick and is very smoothing. It is very good for smoothing because not at on cutting with rough. On it will be good for making smooth our concrete. So he already removed the old. Now he's going to install on new one. As you see, our disc has a small ring, has a ring which helps it to fit well with our grinder. Now he's fixing. Soon you will see how he will use. Now he's fitting on. He is installing on a new cutting disc, a new concrete cutting disc. He's tightening. You see, he is tightening to make sure it will not be danger in our work, in his work. He has to make sure the disc is well tightened, on so that it will not be danger. Yeah, now already already put on. He's going to start using this disc, using this grinding disc by hand job of cutting chamfer and grinding concrete. Grinding here to start the grinder. This point, this black point is he will push, then the concrete start. The grinder will start. Yeah. Just wait a moment, you see. Now he's working. He's grinding, he's cutting chamfer, you see. Here he's cutting chamfer on top of that manhole. This is a manhole of a valve chamber. Its concrete edge must have a chamfer to protect a future damage. Because with a sharp angle, anything heated can damage the concrete. It is the reason why we are cutting the chamfer to protect our concrete from any future damage, so that our concrete will be well protected, will be self protected. It is self protected. Yeah, our chamfer cutting is going on. The work of cutting chamfer is going on now, you see, by this baby grinder, which is very well to be adjusted, to be lifted, because it is smaller. With any angle you can adjust, with any angle you can move as well as you want, because it is the reason why this guy has these yellow hand gloves to protect his hand.
Thank you to watch this video. Please subscribe, like and share.